gluten-free, flourless chocolate cake. Only 7 ingredients that I'm sure will impress your friends and family. So if you'd like to see how to make my flourless chocolate cake, come with me and let's see. If you're new here today, welcome. My name's Sue and this is Sue Marie P. I love sharing my simple recipes that are super tasty and easy to follow. If you'd like the full recipe for my video today, you can jump over to my website, suemariep.com, and also on my website I've got a USA unit converter, so you can have it all in US units if you click on the tab. You can follow me on Instagram, Sue Marie P. So let's get cooking. So the first step with my flourless chocolate cake today, I've got 225 grams of butter that I've pre-cubed, and we're just melting that over a pot of hot water. And then I'm going to throw in 200 grams of dark chocolate. I'm using this one from the UK. It's a Swiss dark chocolate, 70%. If you don't want it super dark, do something that's more like a 50%, but I love dark chocolate. So we're just throwing that in as well. So we want to combine the butter and chocolate and melt that down. If you've got a microwave and you want to do it in a microwave, just pop it in a little microwave-friendly bowl and melt it in 30-second bursts because you don't want to overheat it. So while that's melting, pop your oven on 170 degrees or 190 if you don't have a fan. We've got 6 eggs in our bowl here. We're going to pop in 60 mils of milk. I use oat milk because that's what I've got on hand, but you can use regular milk. And we've got some ground almonds here. That's just 120 grams or 1 cup. 220 grams of dark brown sugar. If you can't get dark brown sugar or you don't have it on hand, you can also swap it out for light brown sugar. So let's mix that together. In the meantime, you can also prepare your tin. I'm just using a 20 centimetre tin because that makes it look nice and high like that. And I've just popped the brown paper down the bottom, added the ring on. This is a springform pan, and put the paper around the side with a little bit of butter inside to let it stick. If you've only got a 23 centimetre tin, that'll be fine. You'll just have a slightly less high cake. So our butter chocolate mix is all melted, and I've just sat it here for 10 minutes to cool down slightly before I'm adding it into our egg mix. So then we throw in the cocoa powder. So I just sifted 60 grams of the cocoa powder, and then we're popping in our melted chocolate butter mix. And that's pretty much it. But if you want to stick around to the end, I'll show you how I decorate the cake. I've got a special raspberry sauce. So we just mix this for a few minutes until it's combined. It's looking pretty good. Enough of me dancing. Let's get this cake out. Almost looks like a brownie cake. It looks so fudgy and delicious and silky and smooth. So now we just pop that into our warm oven for 40 minutes and we'll come back. So our cake's finished, all out of the oven. I don't want to cut it just yet. So we're just going to leave that one, and I'm going to decorate the one I baked yesterday. So this is how I like to serve it. I like to sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar on top. And then I've always got frozen raspberries in my freezer. So I just heat them up slightly. So I've got like a warm raspberry sauce, and I just serve it like that. And then I pop ice cream on, or you can use mascarpone cheese or creme fraiche. So check that out. That's my flourless chocolate cake with a little bit of pizzazz. So if you've liked my video today, let me know. Put the thumbs up, share it with a friend, write a comment below if you've made it and what you think of it, or send me a note what your favorite chocolate cake is. I'll see you next time. Bye.